$10 an hour from any survey you like, plus monetizing site requests, survey from each country, and even by playing games on Telegram. I will reveal the name of the site in the middle of the video. Let's go make money! Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to your own channel. Today we came to a website that is a really good one. This website has many features which are explained here. Join this website to earn money, create your own community, and also explained here are. Number 1. 100,000 users have registered on this website. Number 2. Besides that, thousands of new users register every day. Number 3. Hundreds of countries and dozens of languages are supported here. Number 4. And the final option, guaranteed social security and clean contact. In addition to this, the total number of participants on this website is 315,492 people who are currently earning money, and 419 people are currently online at this minute. This part explains that this website is an opportunity for real earnings and you don't need any special skills. You can do this work anytime and anywhere because this website is easy and reliable. Moreover, the advantages of this website include several ways to earn money. The website supports instant payments across multiple payment systems. It has a unique user interface. And the final option is an interesting job in a trustworthy project. This section shows how much this website has paid people so far, which amounts to $10 million. This is the actual amount that has been paid to people. Here, it mentions that this is for advertisers and it is a unique service specially designed for organizing advertisements for projects, services, and online markets. This part is dedicated to us. This website has many ways to promote your projects effectively and cheaply. The next option is the powerful selection of target audiences on this website. Another option is having a multifunctional and campaign management system. And the final option is the support of multiple payment systems that this website provides for you. So far, 56,641 ads have been run on this website. Let's go and sign up on this website. In the first step, we go to the first website and click on the Create an Account option to create our account. Let's go make money. After registering on this website, you come here and you need to do a few things. The first thing is to answer a series of questions here, which can be done easily. We came to this section where payments are made and the projects are taken by us. Now we have to choose which project we like to take and the payment is shown on the right side of the project. For example, we can take this $1.5 project. In my previous videos, I taught you how to translate the page to English. If you don't know how to translate the page from Russian to English, search for the term Google Translate extension in Google and add it to your browser. So, you can work on this website because its language is in Russian. You can start one by one and do these tasks, and you can earn at least $10 a day from this website. And if you pay any attention to this section, you will see that there are already 3 pages of projects and work available for you to earn money. The easiest way to earn money. This first project that has the word YouTube in it's probably related to YouTube tasks like subscribing, liking, or something like that. A very important point. These are the surveys of my country. You can use surveys from any country and make money from any country in the world. The tasks available on this website are in the first section, which is income, and there are other sections like promotion, feed, messages, referrals available here. Don't forget to like and comment and be sure to subscribe. For example, look at this task. It is one of the Telegram projects. From playing in the Telegram bot, then anything else to earn money online. After clicking on this project, we came to this page where we can see exactly what we need to do here. This person says that you have 2 hours to complete this task, and after clicking on the link, you need to start the bot and go to the task section and complete all the tasks by subscribing there, withdraw the coins, and even a screenshot of this work has been provided here. And below, it is mentioned that what you need to show in the work report to provide 2 screenshots, and first, there are 3 should be at least this amount of coins in your account page. The second task is that the bot's activation date should be the day the work is done, and you allow this bot to write for you. Cash flow, the easiest way to make money. Let's go to apply for the next job. Here is another project that is available here. And now, the name of this money-making site. The name of this site is SoSprint. Alright guys, we have reached the end of this video. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video and for watching until now. So, if you haven't subscribed to us yet, do it right now. Until the next video, may your pockets be full of money.